I brought my dogs into the show with me. Obviously this is a fur magnet of a sweatshirt, but it's really, really warm, so I'm gonna wear it today. Alright, so I'm like in a bit of a happy mood. I don't know why, but I am. We're just gonna jump right into the video, like right into it. We're gonna open this shit today. This is the Boxycharm. I cannot believe I have it already. It is November 8th. Like, it's so early in the month and I have it. Also, I can't find my scissors, so this will do. We're gonna kind of do like a find out what's in here and then try it on kind of a thing. I really don't have that much makeup on. I just have a little bit of eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara on my brows. Kind of just like this section done, you know? So let's pop this on open. Ow. And, oh, where's the card? Boxycharm. I've been loving their little pictures. Like, they're so cute. This is the Goal Digger box. Let's dig for some goals. Everybody get out there, get your goals, eat healthier, do some jumping jacks. I tried jump roping. I jumped like 50 times and I was like, whew, I am tired. That's not what we're in here for. It looks like everything in here is gonna be gold. That makes sense, but that looks like it's gonna be cute. First thing in here is the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. Look at this box. Ooh, it's got like sandpaper. Just kidding, that's not sandpaper, that's like sprinkle paper. These remind me of the other lashes that we got from House of Lashes, but a little bit toned down, just a little bit. These still look like they would be pretty dramatic. Let's see, these are $14.99, not bad. Next in here, oh my god, does that mean I have to try that on? Brushes! I love to get brushes. Ooh, these look small. Okay, so these are Luxie brushes. I didn't know they were cruelty free. They are. Okay, can I open this? Okay, it looks like there's 4 in here. How much does this retail for? 21. That is a pretty decent. Like, I would buy this for 21. Ooh. Hi, Cooper. I know you hear the bag, but it's not food, it's a brush. And they got like little golden handles here. It's kind of weird because you can feel the gold flakes and stuff. But these are pretty small. These look cute. It's kind of like an angled base brush you got there. This one's like a circle, but like an angled circle brush. It's really soft. It kind of almost feels like there's not enough hair in that one. Bristles or whatever. And then this is kind of like its cousin with a bad haircut. So this one's got like the like a, and then this one's kind of just like, and then you have this one, which is like closer to a fluffy blending brush. But I do love getting brushes, so yeah. Ooh. And then the Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova. Whenever I hear Nova as a shade, I assume it's gonna be like space blue. Okay, oh, of course it's gonna be gold, right? This looks so pretty. That's gonna not match my skin tone at all. Like, I can't put this on my face. Okay, this retails for $44 and it is ultra concentrated. It is ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. But it's gonna be glitter, it's not gonna be like shimmer, you know? Why did I choose this month to be the try-on month? Yeah, that's glitter. That's glitter. It's pretty, but it's glitter. Okay. Next thing here. Do I feel a palette? Is that the last thing? No. There's this. This is the Janta Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. Long-lasting, intense black color. We got a Janta Blue eyeliner in one of these boxes before. I don't remember if it was Boxycharm or IPSY. But this thing's like, what, $5? $5. This thing's $5. This box doesn't seem all that expensive this month. Don't you hate when this happens? Like, still a very dry formula. I don't remember liking the other Jonta Blue formula. I think I ended up using it in my brows because it was brown. But this is black with glitters, and you can barely tell the glitters. Once you like actually draw a line, all the glitter falls off of that line. So it's just black liner with glitter fallout. Last thing in here is a palette. It looks kind of nice, but it's a 24. That Jonta Blue was $5. I told you everything else, right? Yeah? Okay. From Ace Beauty, called the Grandoise palette, Grandoise palette, Grandote palette. Feels very cheap, like, but I guess it only retails for $24.99. The color selection in here is really pretty. I am really liking it so far. And I do like the packaging. Like, I wish there was a mirror here instead, but this is really cute, and so is this. So like, let's do some swatches. Actually, let's just try it on my face. I know I have eyeshadow on already. I didn't plan on doing this. I was kind of just like jumping some rope outside, and I came in was like, bam. So let's go into this. I'm gonna grab this shade right here to deepen up my outer corner. Oh, it deepened it up well, like. Ooh, cinnamon. Look at that, that's pretty. Just nice. Liking that. Let's do it on this side. Something is in my eyeball. That is so pretty. Let's go into Poppy. I'm going to grab a different brush here, the Rico Suave brush. Go into Poppy right here and just put that close to the lash line on the outer half of the eye. Not as impressed. It's still doing a good job though. I am realizing this palette doesn't really have any deep tones to it though, so if you want anything too dark, you might not be able to do it just with this palette alone, but you can get some really pretty like looks with this. Like, oh, this makes me want to play with it so much. Okay, now we're gonna go in with my finger. Which one should I use? I'm gonna use this one. I'm like debating between Primrose and Myrtle. So those look so pretty. Ooh. I'm gonna start with Primrose because it's the lighter one. Yes, I'm loving it. Loving it. That is so pretty. I'm actually gonna grab Myrtle and put that on the like outer part where it meets the matte colors. So like right here. Oh, that is such a pretty color. What was that? Myrtle? Ooh. Ooh, Myrtle. Oogie. I'm gonna grab this brush again and go back into Cinnamon to kind of deepen it up again. Again, this is kind of like as deep as it'll go because there's no deeper palette or shade in this palette. But this is still stupid pretty. And I didn't have any liner on the bottom line, so I'm gonna use this Jonta Blue right here. Which, like I told you, I don't like these. This thing is scratching my eyeball. And I see some glitter. It's actually there. But my eyeball is getting, like, not my eyeball, my eyelid is getting scratched up. Was there like a flat brush? No, not really. So I'm gonna grab this one and I'm gonna grab Cinnamon again because there's no like in between. There's Patchouli and then there's Cinnamon. There's no, like, this looks kind of in between, but it's like a pink. Maybe I'll dip a little bit of that clove, that pink, in with the cinnamon. This mixture of cinnamon and clove is really pretty. Now I'm gonna grab Jasmine with my pinky finger, which was that like golden champagne color. Get the inner corner a little bit. Now what? We did the palette, we did the liner, the brushes, the lashes. I'm not gonna throw that on. I'm so lazy. My lash glue's all the way over there. These glitter drops from Cover FX. It's kind of exciting because I don't know. I never expect to get Color FX. It's like a pretty good brand. I can't believe I'm gonna put this on my face. It's straight up glitter. I already have it on this side. Put some on my nose. Oh my god. It's too dark for me. There's so much glitter. What was I supposed to do with this? That was a mistake to put that on my nose. Used alone, under or over makeup, mixed into foundation or moisturizer. I'm such a glitter bomb. If my boyfriend saw me right now, he would have so many questions about all this glitter. What do I do with these lashes? I don't have any glue. Like, my glue is over there. I'm like actually trying to fucking put this on without any lash glue. Very dramatic. These look better than the other ones though. The House of Lashes ones or whatever. These are not actually on. I have no lash glue on them. No, I'm so lazy. I don't want to go get the lash glue and put these on. I like them though. I do like them. Okay, imagine me like this. This was an interesting box. Probably the cheapest box I've gotten in Boxycharm. Let's do some maths. Alright, Cover FX, $44. Palette, $25. $24.99. Brushes, $21. Eyeliner, $5. Lashes, $15. $14.99. It's $110. This is the cheapest box I've gotten. It is still over 100, so that's okay. But dang, you could tell like it was a cheaper palette, cause like, or not palette, you could tell it was a cheaper box. Like you got a $5 eyeliner, you know. Like you could have at least made it like a $10 eyeliner, but no, you're like $5 eyeliner that hurts to use on your eye. Like here it is, take it. And it's just like take it. Oh, look at all that freaking glitter on my hand. Okay, let me swatch the other colors that I did not use, such as Clove. I didn't really use that on its own. And then this rose color. Ooh, it's soft. Oh, holy shit. That is beautiful. Ooh, that rose color. Alright, let's add to this mess. That's how lazy I am today, guys. That's why I don't have the lashes on. This is how lazy I am. I didn't bring a napkin. I used my soap as a napkin. Let's take a moment to talk about what I'm excited about and not excited about. Let's start with what I'm not excited about. Because what? You can't tell, but I can tell. Like, I look like a glitter bomb happened. Like, awful. Not good. Maybe if I put in my moisturizer and I put it on my body, I could be beautiful. But, like, I don't think so. I'm gonna try it. Not excited to try it, though. After that, the liner, you know, it hurts to use and it never really stays on that long. Plus this one just has glitter fallout. So after that, everything else I'm pretty excited about. The lashes are probably next. I do like them. They're a little bit dramatic, but they're cute. And then the palette is so nice. It feels a little cheap. It does. It feels just like cardboard. But look, it's pretty. I like it. And then the most excited about the brushes. Can you believe I'm excited more about something? I'm excited about something more than I am about the palette because I love palettes, especially eye palettes. I'm a little hyper. These brushes, I just love getting Luxie brushes. Like, I hate buying brushes, so I love getting them. And if I were, like, if I didn't get it in this box and, like, I saw someone had these, like, I would buy these. They're $21 for 4. That's, like, $5-ish, $5.25, you know? Like, it's good, it's Gucci. I gotta go. I'm very hyper. I probably have to do some more jump roping to get this hype out. Oh, what did I do? Thanks so much for stopping by, and if you did last all the way here, thanks so much extra because I'm a little bit annoying today. Just today. Check out some more of my videos down below and on the screen. Subscribe right over here, and I will see you guys next time.